Get excited about the 2011 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.